Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Wednesday, we saw spectacular gains for US markets. However, it was mainly because of rebalancing of indices. But if we go through with global macros, then they are unfavorable. Bond yield is still at 4.20. Crude is trading above the levels of $86 per barrel, and dollar index is at 104 plus. Indian rupee is quoting at 83.40, which is slightly concerning. However, if we see the overall trading setup for our markets, then it is indicating us that we are going to see furthermore upside in the near term. In case if there is any correction, then close to 22,050, 22,080, we should look for adding some long positions, but with a tight stop loss at 22,000 on the downside. Above 22,200 we can expect bullishness, short covering, and in that case we may see the levels of 22,250 or 22,300 levels. So as it's a monthly expiry day, we need to be a little bit careful and we need to follow the levels properly. For the Bank Nifty, it is consolidating since last 4 days between the range of 46,500 and 47,000. The overall pattern is indicating us that we are going to see an upward breakout in the near term. But for that, we need to see that whether the Bank Nifty is crossing 47,000 or not. In case if it falls to 46,700, 46,600, then there we should look for adding some long positions with a stop loss at 46,400. So we need to follow the range, and based on that we can design our trading strategy. Apart from Bank Nifty and Nifty, other indices are displaying some mixed strength. Metal stocks are doing well, and metal index is performing since last almost few weeks. So there we can expect further more activity in the near term. But for IT stocks, we are seeing a lot of selling pressure at each highs, and there is hardly any specific buying strength at lower levels. So there we cannot take trading bets. That's the broader view. But for pharma companies, now again we need to be more and more selective, because few of them are indicating us that upward activity is possible. So from the metal space and from the BFSI space, we need to look for taking some trading bets, and specifically we like Tata Steel, Vedanta, as well as we like Nalco. From the BFSI space, our focus is more on stocks like IndusInd Bank, State Bank, as well as ICICI Bank. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.